Is it possible to download 3D gun plans and simply print out a gun? A federal court in Seattle recently issued a temporary restraining order blocking Cody Wilson and his Austin-based defense distribution from uploading plans to make 3D printed firearms from handguns to AR-style rifles. So, can a gun actually be made from plastic based on these plans? Yes, but the printers needed to make the guns can cost from $5,000 to $600,000. The quality of the plastics also matters. An early design printed by federal agents shattered after one shot. A second gun, made from a higher grade resin, stayed intact. Unlike traditional firearms that can fire thousands of rounds in a lifetime, the 3D printed guns normally last only a few rounds before they fall apart, experts say. They usually hold a bullet or two and then must be manually loaded, and they're not usually very accurate. However, there is a vast amount of deception in reporting the facts about 3D printing and guns. This is where the ignorant leftists and their willing accomplices in the left media plays its part in terrifying the uneducated public regarding 3D printing and guns, something they like to refer to as ghost guns. Fact number one that is often overlooked: you cannot print an entire working gun like a traditionally machined firearm, i.e. a handgun or an AR-15, in a 3D printer all at once. But that wouldn't stop the left in trying to frighten you into believing it can be done. As stated before in this video, the 3D printed guns normally last only a few rounds before they fall apart. You can print the lower for an AR-15 or a handgun frame. However, all the other parts like takedown pins, rifled barrels, springs, trigger groups, and firing pins, etc. must be machined or manufactured separately and then assembled into the gun. Don't buy into the notion that fully functioning firearms can be mass-produced in someone's garage with a 3D printer. It's just not going to happen. Remember, the left have an entirely different agenda here, and it is gun control. So don't believe the hype, all the hysteria, and all the nonsense. Prepper Action out, and if you like the content of my videos, please subscribe, share, comment, and like. Prepper Action out. Be safe.